We've come here to trial Wildlife Drones radio tracking technology with the Kākāpō project on Whenua Hou, and it's been a pretty remarkable experience. We've been absolutely delighted that we have been able to pick up large numbers of birds simultaneously. We've gotten really tight locations on where those birds are, even those ones that are over cliff edges. The drone just makes that so much easier.
We've got a series of data loggers. We have 3 different types: mating data loggers, feed station data loggers, and nest data loggers. But that network doesn't give us spatial information as well. It doesn't tell us where the individuals are, so that's kind of a bit of a missing link. We can't get signals from the ground on the tracks, and so it can take us a long time, like many days, to find birds. That is a huge time sink, and it also means we can lose birds. We can lose track of where they are, especially if they're not settled in a particular region, and ultimately we could lose them altogether.
So I'm here today just to observe the impact, if anything, of the drone surveillance monitoring trial for the Kākāpō on the island. Some of the Whenua Hou Committee and Kaitiaki Rōpū had concerns around the use of drones on this sacred motu, this island. My observations were actually quite the opposite, in that the birds carried on while the drone was flying. I think the difference was the operators were flying it really high up into the sky rather than just on the canopy.
Pleasantly surprised by how tight the fixes are, how sort of accurate the fixes can be. Even just from a couple of triangulation points, we can get a location on the bird really well. Sort of adequate enough, better than our triangulations that we do by hand, but adequate enough to go as a location in our database of examples.
So it's been really fantastic. We can really save people a lot of time and effort by simply launching the drone, doing a few flights. We can cover a large portion of the island and many, many birds simultaneously.